I'm in the front garden again today. And I don't know, I'm gonna do some random things here. I don't know. So, I don't know if you could see this here. It's a golden mop cypress. I think, well, the rabbits keep eating it. So I might actually put a candy corn spirea there instead, because I do like the yellow element next to the blue. So maybe I'll pick up one of those later. My little lime punch is doing pretty good. So I want to tackle these hosta. These are like an old, just a variegated, I don't know if it's like undulata, univitata, something hosta. It's like an old variety. And then I got this random Liberty here. Well, it said it was Liberty. I don't know if it actually is. But I don't know. It gets super huge here. I might move it to the backyard. And I don't know. I got a lot of these around and they seem to do really well here. So I might actually go all the way around with the green and white right here, because there's a little hosta here, and I don't know, I tried to do like the green and yellow, green and white, green and yellow, green and white, but it didn't work. So I'm just gonna take the green and white and go all the way around the tree and move some of these hosta to the backyard. And this garden here needs some compost. I think that one over there, I don't know, it looks pretty good. I put a lot of compost last year, so I might just do mulch. And then here do compost and mulch. Yeah. So also underneath here there's like bricks, and I tried to make like a mow strip, but it's not working. It's just getting buried because this garden is kind of on an incline. It used to be 2 layers and we kind of just made it one big garden, like 2 levels, I mean. So now it like slopes down towards the front, and whenever it rains and everything, all the runoff just covers up the mow strip, and it just looks terrible. So I'm gonna do a higher border here with stones soon, sometime this summer. I'll show you in the video what I'm thinking. Alright, let's get some work done. Clearly not for weed suppression. Just aesthetics. It looks better. Alright. This is gonna be a lot of work. Okay. Shovel, pitchfork, hoary. Let's go. I might stick that in the backyard. That's a good chunk. Alright, let's go. Well, everyone, I got a whole bunch here. And I'm probably going to put it on Marketplace. And I put some free ones on the curb because I didn't have enough soil for all the pots. So, anyways, I'm just going to clean up and do some more tomorrow. See you in the next video. Bye.